Hello my beautiful people, now welcome back to my YouTube channel. How una dey my people? Abeg na today be the first time we dey come across this channel. My name na Rose. I'm a mother, a hairstylist and also a YouTuber. For this channel we dey do so many things. We dey bring latest news, we dey bring latest hairstyle, we still dey cook, so everything dey fine for YouTube dey for this channel. Abeg no fit to subscribe to this channel. If you don't subscribe, make sure you turn on notification bell so that anytime I upload you be the first one to be notified. And if you're any subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I really appreciate even of you, and I say may God Almighty bless all of you. My people don come again today with another video. Today video I go dey show na how to cook okodo soup. Okodo soup na Delta people native pepper soup, but many people also see dey cook am. And especially if you know say you dey for this Europe wey me dey, so this soup na soup say dey remove cold more person body and e still dey cure fever too. So for this cold period, wetin you need na just this okodo soup na you just need. So the first thing when I wan do na I go add my goat milk for inside my pot. Make for cook well, but if you use any kind of beef wey you want, if you use cow meat, if you use chicken sef, if you even use dry fish. So but me I dey use goat meat now. So I don put my meat inside pot. I go come cover am make for cook well first before I start to dey add the other ingredients wey be say I wan add. So the next thing wey I wan do now, I go come peel my yam. After I don peel my yam, I come wash am, set am aside. So after I wash my yam finish, I come back, come check my pot. At this point, the goat meat already cook. All the old meat they made it for inside the goat meat is already come outside. So now they see am like this now. The next thing I go do now, I come add my goat milk ishaki. But if you don't get goat milk ishaki, you just skip this part. You use only your goat meat. So after I don't put the ishaki, I'll come cover am. So the next thing I want to do now, I want blend my fresh pepper and onions. If you don't get fresh pepper, you use dry pepper. Dry pepper still dey go well. So after I don't blend and finish, I will first keep am. Not be now I want put am inside this pot. Now when I don't put yam, put everything I want before I come put the pepper. So now I go dey add my yam, put for inside the pot so that everything will cook well. So after I add my yam finish, I come turn everything together. I know say the yam still dey fresh like this. Now we say don't you say we come dey break. But after this moment, you go know the way we say they turn and make the yam no go scatter finish. So after I don't turn am, I will come add small water because this water no reach to cook the pepper soup. Because pepper soup you still need to keep some soup wey we say you go see dey drink. So I don't add the water. The next thing I want to now, I'll add my salt, my seasoning cube, and the pepper. So like this now I don't add my pepper. Now I turn everything together. Make it not be say now once I pepper will come there. So after I don't turn am together finish now, I will come leave am make it cook for like 15 to 20 minutes. Because if you don't let your okodo cook well, that milk okodo taste will come outside. Because you can't dey watery, everything no go just go well at all. So you need to let your okodo cook well. So the next thing I want to now, I come blend crayfish. Crayfish dey give am better taste. After I don't blend the crayfish now, I come put am inside. I don't even wash my crayfish. So like this now I want add my crayfish. Mind you, before I want add this crayfish, I let this pot cook for 15 minutes. So after I don't add the crayfish finish, I will come turn everything together. If I don't turn everything together, I will come put my pepper spices. If you don't reach this point where you want to put this pepper spices, not even mess with the spices, so because that spices they very very important for this pepper soup. So far I say you not add too much, but gauge your pot to put the spices because that spices they very important. Now you go come all those cold, all those fever, because all our native spices, everything is joined together for this pepper soup spices. So not messy with them. Put them in a way to say go do okay for the pepper soup. After I add my pepper soup spices, I can cover the pot to let them cook for another 10 minutes. So at this point now, 10 minutes time. So I can come back, come check my pot here and say everything done dey okay. The yam done, the meat done, even the pepper soup water don't take the way I want them. So like this now, this food done, you're done. I beg, if you dey watch video to this point, never give me a thumbs up or you never subscribe to my channel, I beg now, support my channel by subscribing and also give me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. So my people, this food don just done like this. So I want you all start to the devour now. So see the yam, see the pepper soup and oil aside. But if you not see one use oil, you fit use eat only on yam and pepper soup alone. So my people, when see this video, I also now enjoy, I also now like and not forget to subscribe to my channel, I beg. So at this point now, I go say bye bye for now. I will see you now for my next one.